Have you been wondering how to be invisible on Meshtastic? Today we'll cover 2 methods for discrete, encrypted mesh communication, ensuring you don't appear on the public map. The default setting, long fast, connects your node to the public mesh, making your GPS and presence visible. This is suitable for most users. However, for privacy-sensitive deployments or field operations, a hidden approach is needed. A critical first step is to set your LoRa region last, after all privacy settings. As soon as the region is configured, broadcasting begins. To avoid early visibility, configure all channel, role, and encryption changes first. Option 1 is a fully private mesh. You are placed the default long-fast primary channel with a new encrypted primary channel shared among your nodes. This results in a completely isolated network with no public visibility, but limits your range to your own nodes. To configure option 1, first delete the default primary channel. Next, create a new encrypted primary channel with a unique name and pre-shared key, and replicate this on every node. Finally, set your LoRa region to activate the radio. Option 2 is a semi-private mesh, offering hidden nodes, encrypted traffic, and public mesh range. Your nodes are invisible, but your encrypted messages travel across the public mesh for maximum reach. The trade-off is that encrypted packets still enter the public mesh. For option 2 configuration, set the device role to "client_hidden" and rebroadcast mode to known_only. Keep the long-fast primary channel for range and add a custom plus PSK secondary channel for your encrypted communications. For additional hardening in both options, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if not needed, as both emit RF. Disable GPS broadcasting unless tracking is required. Increase the NodeInfo broadcast interval and use a blank or generic node name to reduce your RF signature. When deciding which option is right for you, consider your priorities. Fully private offers max isolation, but no public relays. Semi-private provides max range and privacy, utilizing public relays with encrypted traffic. With these settings, you can operate a mesh on your terms. While full anonymity isn't possible, you can achieve a much lower profile through no public visibility, encrypted traffic, minimal RF output, and silenced wireless interfaces.